Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Claude AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and go to claude.ai and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we want to go ahead and click on the Customize tab on the left-hand side. Now, to the right of that, it's going to say Customize Claude, so skills, connectors, and plugins shape how Claude works with you. So, from here, click on to connect your app. So let Claude read and write to the tools you already use. So click on that, connectors, make sure on the connectors tab, and then look for Wix. So type in Wix, then click on the little plus icon. Now it says here, grant access to Wix. So complete the sign-in steps to sign in. So I'm going to continue with my Google account. Now I'm just going to allow this. Now from here it says here connect Claude AI to your Wix account. It's going to show you your email. You can switch accounts if you accidentally use the wrong one. Then by authorizing, you're going to allow this application to access your Wix account information, etc., etc. So click on allow. Now once we've done that, it says here on the top right hand corner, we are now connected to Wix.